Hello, my name is Laura Tani and I am one of the teachers of Liceo Marconi. In December 2025, the students of Liceo Marconi who are part of the Erasmus project should, together with some students from the organization Forum, took part in 3 webinars held by the trainer Martina Evangelista. Each webinar was an hour long and all the webinars focused on the methodology of digital storytelling. And I would like to share some reflections on the experience we had. Our webinars followed a clear path. In the first webinar, we focused on the theory, and guided by our trainer, we looked at the materials provided by IDEC, which helped us understand the rules of a good story. At first, it seemed like a lot of information, but in reality, it turned out to be a solid starting point. The second webinar was much more dynamic. Actually, the students really started to get involved. They didn't just listen to, but they asked questions and they shared their ideas. And it was great to see them curious about a task the trainer asked them to do for the following webinar, which was to turn a school topic into a digital project. By the third webinar, the students became the real stars. Actually, in this webinar, they presented their task and what they had learned. Some of them worked on poems. For example, they associated images, pictures taken from the internet or pictures taken by themselves to each stanza of the poem. So they translated words into visuals, and this helped them understand the emotions and the message of the poem maybe more deeply than a traditional lesson could ever have done. Other students gave a visual representation of an emotion by putting together photos and paintings, famous paintings in which the same emotion was represented. So, these webinars were really relevant because the students became active creators and they learned how to communicate feelings, ideas and emotion also through a digital storytelling. In conclusion, now I know that when students are motivated, they can really perform difficult tasks and produce interesting projects.